Hi everybody. So I wanted to put in some information about this video. The purpose for this video was just to remove the battery cover so that you could take a look at the terminals and clean the battery terminals, or for the purpose of jumping the battery. I never intended to take the battery out and replace it. Even the title says removing the battery cover and replacing the battery cover. But since so many people that comment on this video evidently want to see the battery removed, I did put the steps to have the battery removed from a commenter that have placed comments on this video. So I'm placing those steps in this additional video right now for you.
Okay, what I'm going to do is go through the steps that the service manual indicates, but I'm also going to apply a link to this video that shows another video where someone has successfully taken the Malibu battery out of the car. And then you can stop this video whenever you wish in order to take a look at the steps that the service manual indicates versus how the other individual is actually removing the battery, because the service manual indicates the safe steps. So I'll go through the steps, even though it is kind of a rigorous thing, and then you can stop this video whenever you want if you want to take notes, maybe copy down some of the steps, or do whatever you wish. The link to the other video where the Malibu battery is actually being removed from the car is going to be down in this video description. From commenter Mike Rigel, according to the service manual, it takes someone with experience about 45 minutes to replace the battery. It's not an easy task. Here are the steps. For stop-start vehicles, disconnect the negative cable from the trunk battery. Under the hood, remove the battery cover and disconnect the negative battery cable. Slide the computer off the left side of the battery and move it to the side. This will give you clearance needed to reach the retainer clips later. Unclip and remove the fuse cover for access to the retaining clips. This also gives you clearance needed to reach the clips later. The fuse block cover can now open fully. Snap open the battery fuse block cover and disconnect the body harness connector. Remove or unclip the black and gray fastener and the body harness terminal from the battery fuse block stud. Remove the fastener and the battery positive cable, which is the red cable, from the battery fuse block stud. Loosen the battery positive post clamp fastener and detach the retainer clips that hold the battery fuse block to the battery. Remove the 4 small fuse leads. Set aside the battery fuse block. Locate one retainer clip on each side to release the battery channel conduit and move it to the side. Remove the battery tray partition and remove the battery hold-down fastener along with the battery hold-down retainer. Remove the battery strap from the battery positive post and remove the battery from the tray using the battery assist handles. And the last step is reverse the steps for battery installation.